would you ever box Hasan? Hasan would have no chance in a boxing match against me, because I would just always go for the nuts. I wish I didn't laugh at my own shit. How stupid is. He's like, Hasan's really tall. He's like 1 or 2 inches taller than me, but I just, because of this sort of comedic theming, I'm just imagining that I'm like standing like head height to his nips. I just accept that in like an actual boxing match I would instantly lose. So I just... Yeah, full of Denji. I don't know why the image is so funny. Maybe it's ah, fuck. Is that a hiccup too? Ah, fuck. God damn it. Hasan's reaction, yo, that's bullshit, man. Delivered in that exact tone while I'm working his balls like a speed bag. Why is this so? I'm hungry and tired, is what it is. Literally a nutshot joke. We're operating at like jackass levels of. Ah, fuck. No, I gave myself the hiccups. I'm not dealing with this. I understand that this is karmically fair because giggling like an idiot at the idea of delivering still doing it 97 consecutive jabs. This is God damn. Okay. No, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this when I have the hiccups. No. Fuck you. Yeah, enjoy the last dono.
Saying to yourself, I am not a fish, will stop the hiccups dead. No cap.
Yeah, but having an audience observe you make the attempt guarantees failure. That's how it works. I know how it works. All right. Listen up, folks. I'm streaming tomorrow. It's gonna be politics. We didn't get shit done today. Motherfucker.
One day later.
We ended the TTS stream last night in embarrassing fashion. You know, it was tired. It was late. I couldn't do any of the voices for Mario because you guys kept donating, which was really inconsiderate of you. And then someone asked me if I would box Hasan, and I recognized wisely that I would lose in a boxing match against Hasan, so I said, well, you know, obviously I would, like, duck under and speed bag his nuts, you know? And the mental image of me doing that was so hysterical that I laughed hard enough that I got the hiccups, and that was the end of the stream. Not the most dignified or gracious end to a live stream that I've ever had, but you know, it's keeping in with the mirth and whimsy of the historical moment, and for that reason, I think it is, if nothing else, appropriate. Career-ending hiccups, yeah, many such cases. Actually pathetic, Lamau. I feel your pain. It hurts triple coming from you, Benjamin.